This is a patient, he's already 20 months now. Front, side. The orientation of the slits here, in the front, the first 2 rows was sagittal. Behind was all lateral slits or perpendicular slits. With the sagittal slits, the hair goes up 5 degrees up. Lateral slit, the hair will grow horizontally. So these have given him a good density. Now the light is unable to go through here.
20 months ago, I was having very bad hair fall or going almost bald, and there are many clinics who does hair transplant, who offer hair transplant. So I did a lot of research finding out the best, and the reason I choose GLOJAS is because they are the pioneers in hair transplant in Malaysia. And after 20 months, I'm more than happy with the end result of the hair transplant process. The whole process during the hair transplant itself was uncomplicated, unpainful, no pain at all, and I'm very satisfied, and I will recommend it to everyone.